Langfang Yifang Plastics Company Limited is established in Dacheng County, which located in the center of the Triangle Territory of Beijing, Tianjin, and Shijiazhuang. This area with its excellent geographical location and convenient communication. Our company is founded in 2018. We are a high-tech company with a collection capacities of design, manufacturing, sales, and research and development services. We have completed product range and strong technical strength. Our quality is stable and reliable. We have the home advanced manufacturing equipment and accurate and completed testing equipment, as well as we have mastered the advanced process. We are always strictly follow the international standard to control the manufacturing process. Our company guarantee the zero defect and the safety, stable, and reliable with the strict management and completed pre-sales, sales, and after-sales services. The total floor area is 6,800 square meters, and with 20 product lines with advanced international equipment, which will support OEM and ODM. One product line can manufacture 300,000 pieces per day. Our equipment will guarantee the rapid product delivery. Over the years, our product has been widely recognized and trusted by clients. Our research and development personnel are always follow the market pace for continuous innovation for the purpose of satisfy the demand of changing economy and society. We sincerely welcome new and old clients from all over the world to work together to create social value and to create brilliant future.